Okay, here we go. Hey everybody, it's Maria. Welcome back to the channel. How's it going? We're continuing Shinedown's Sound of Madness with Cry for Help. I'm going by the album order in case anybody's curious. The lyric video I'm using for this one is by The Pro Lyrics. Thank you. Hope you don't mind me using it. And here we go. Here's Cry for Help by Shinedown. All rights go to them. As always, trying to put it to where I can see my pretty little face. There we go. But still see the lyrics. Here we go. Oh yeah, I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Okay. You've been riding out for quite a while now, living off of people you know. Try to raise a little money to pay off all the monkeys that you met inside the rabbit hole. Some candy from the White Witch, some tea from Mama Chin. But there's a wolf outside the brick house screaming, this time I'm gonna blow it in. Cause a mind is a weapon, see, and it's got you in your hands underneath. So figure if you gotta, all know that you wanna count on 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, you better pray. But there's another way out. You better pray that someone's listening now. Cause I, like the devil himself, no angel's gonna hear you cry for help. No, I really think it's funny you had everybody fooling in. But it's a little unassuming considering how you knew me. I only wanted to call you a friend. Because the mind is a weapon, see, and it's got you in your hands and you need. Pull the trigger if you gotta. You all know that you wanna count of 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You better pray that there's another way out. You better pray that someone's listening now. Gonna lie at the devil himself. No angel's gonna hear your cry for help. Solo, anyone? Sorry for the glitch. Count of 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You better pray that there's another way out. You better pray that someone's listening now. If anyone lied, but the devil himself. No angel's gonna hear your cry for help. For help. For help. And this song just proves why in the world I love doing albums instead of just doing like the singles and all that stuff. I love doing the entire album because it re-exposes you to songs that you haven't heard or listened to, you know, in quite a while. So that is definitely going back in the I guess the cycle of songs on my playlist maybe. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed Cry for Help despite me messing up a little bit. Again, thank you to, I think it's the Pro Lyrics. Thank you again. I hope this isn't a problem with me using your lyrics video for this one. I appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. I hope OBS is working out for you guys because so far it looks pretty good for me. Peace!